Hello friends, here I would like to show you a small project that I have created using Pygame. So I have created a car game, a simple car game with the 2D form. So I will show you how the game looks like. But if after you see and you like the game, and if you want to get the source code, you can go to the end of this video. But if you want to learn a little about Pygame tutorial, you can check at my previous video that I have uploaded on my YouTube channel. And let's get see that.
So this is how the game looks like. The red car is the car that you control, and you need to make it avoid from another car or motorcycle. So this is only the example. So I only import two objects or two images, a single car and also a single motorcycle. This is only the example, but you can multiply the car and also multiply the motorcycle. So if the red car touch another car, it will be game over and then show you the last points. For example, my score was 2029, and then it show game over and we cannot move again the car. So if you want to get the full source code, you can see at the end of this video. But don't forget to subscribe in this channel if you like this content. Thank you.